What's good? It's your boy Dre, also known as Mr. Po Folk Everything, and today I'm back with another one. Today we're gonna be working on the Monte Carlo. Yes, that is correct. Today we're gonna be installing parts onto the Monte Carlo. As you can see, we got parts. Right here, we have brand new door handles. As you can see, there's the part number right there for anybody interested. Also, I don't know why, but I ordered some other parts that I didn't need. But since we have them, we're gonna install them also. So as you can see right here, we got some brand new window switches. Mine work, so I don't even know why I ordered these. But not only that, we got some brand new door locks. So we're gonna be installing those also. If you have a G-body and are needing some window switches or some door locks, drop it in the comment and I will send you my old ones. There's nothing wrong with them, so they still work. If you looking for a window switch or a door lock and you would like my old ones, drop it in the comment. I'll send it to you. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little information for some people who may not know. If you're having an issue with your window and the window fitment, whether it be a G body or any older GM platform vehicle. So if you're having an issue with your window wanting to shake and rattle and move like this, your problem is most likely going to be this right here, these two bolts. That's your felt guides. If you look right here, this is what pushes up against the window to keep the window from actually moving too much. Now you don't want that super tight because there is like the same thing on the back side. It's just a longer version. If you can see right there, you see that? You have one right there. So if you put too much pressure on this up against that, then you run into the issue where when you roll your window up or down, it makes that little noise like da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That's because it's not being able to slide freely on the felt guide. So if you have your window that rocks back and forth, has a little too much play in it, you want to adjust this bolt and this bolt. Now, if you have an issue where when you roll your window up, it still has a 1/4 inch gap or an 1/8 inch gap, that is going to be your window stop, which is going to be these two bolts right here. That's your window stops. So what you will do is you will loosen these bolts up, you will roll your window up until it stops on its own, and then you would tighten them back up. Now, if you was to install brand new weather stripping and now you have an issue where the back of the window or the front of the window doesn't quite line up or go all the way up as it used to, then your issues is going to be this bolt and this bolt. That is going to be your window tilt. So if you put new weather stripping on and now the back of the window is a 1/4 inch off, you would loosen that bolt right here. You will roll your window up, whether it be manual or electric. Roll the window up, allow it to stop on its own, and then tighten up the bolt. That's just some good information that, I thought I would share with everybody. All right, so as you can see, we got the new door handle put in. Now, the problem I'm running into now is that when I pull up on the handle, this latch is not releasing. So when I looked at it, I don't know if y'all can see it, but inside of her, nah, you ain't gonna be able to see it. There's a spring that goes on it, and that spring is broke. So we got ourselves a new latch. All right, so here goes the new latch. We're gonna be putting this on. For those of you who need part numbers, here it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this one off and put the new one on. Okay, so we got it out. And if you look, they're the same. Now, what I wanna point out is, on the old one and the new one, you got 3 connection points. So this one right here, that's gonna go to your key cylinder for the outside of the door. It's gonna go to there. Then you're gonna have this top one right here. It's gonna go to the lock on the inside of the door. And then you're gonna have one more, which is this one right here where my finger's at. That one's gonna go to the inside door handle. And then you're gonna bolt it up. Now, make sure you put some Loctite or something on it so that it don't back out. And let's get that done. Okay, so we got the new one in, as you can see. I don't have it all the way screwed down at the moment because I'm gonna take them out one by one and put some Loctite on it. But just to show that it works, now y'all see the door is closed. It ain't flimsy like it used to be. And boom, voila, we back in business. All right, so we got everything put back together. And as you can see, the door shuts, boom, and it opens. And it opens.